Today we're doing a traditional Chinese chicken recipe. We're using the chicken drumettes. Now the secret ingredient is this slab sugar. It's cane sugar, which will add some complex sugar flavor. Cane sugar has molasses, also makes it nice and smooth in the texture. So this is a nice recipe, easy to make. So let's get started. So first just rinse off the drumettes. So here we have about 2 pounds of chicken drumettes. You can use the chicken wings or the chicken drumettes and the wings, whichever way you like. So now that they're boiling, it just take a few more minutes. Then we're going to rinse them off in cold water. So just give the chicken drumettes a quick rinse in cold water. So put about 3-4 tablespoons of cooking oil in there. Got some slices of ginger I'm going to put in there. So it's fairly large slices. You got maybe half a dozen slices in there. So put a piece of slab sugar. So you can order the slab sugar from my Chinese cooking guide in the description below this video if you can't get a hold of it, or you can use brown sugar. Then put a tablespoon of dark soy sauce for color. They call it the slab sugar, so it's actually brown sugar in the slab, though it's got sometimes molasses in there too, depending on the brand. So these ones, they come in a slab, right? So they call it the slab sugar. So put about a teaspoon of natural sea salt or regular salt. Sea salt is a natural salt, adds lots of flavor. Then you put some chicken base in there if you like, a teaspoon of chicken base for flavor, or if you have chicken stock. There's about half a cup of water going in. Then you add a tablespoon of light soy sauce. So mix all the ingredients together. So cover with a lid and turn the heat down to medium. So just mix the chicken wings a little bit. We're just going to let it simmer. So if the chicken wings aren't dark enough, add some more dark soy sauce.
Hey ladies.
So just add another maybe tablespoon. So depending on how dark you want the chicken wings. So it's been about 15 minutes. We're just gonna check the oh nice, the chicken drumettes. Oh nice. So the chicken drumettes are going really well. So nicely colored right now. So we're just gonna let it simmer for another 15 minutes. So it's been in there for about 15 minutes. So now we're gonna serve the drumettes. I'm just gonna put it into a bowl so you can put the sauces in there too. Just put a handful of green onions in there. Just spread it on top. There you have it. Chinese style chicken drumettes. Enjoy. Thanks for checking out my video. And please give me a thumbs up, and be sure to check out some of my other videos on this channel. And please subscribe. If you get a chance, check out my other channel, the award-winning Chinese cooking channel.